Why do people go crazy for certain individuals as soon as they enter the room? They never fail to attract either people or success. Are they special? No. They just follow 3 rules of magnetic aura. Rule number 1. Speak less, actually very less. We live in a time where everyone has opinion and has something to say. People listen to respond, not to understand. You have to do exactly opposite of this. When we know something, we all have temptation to speak and get attention. This is where you lose. You have to kill this urge of saying instantly. So, when to speak? You speak only when people around you want to speak, but they can't because they don't know. For example, you are in class. When teacher asks certain question, as expected, everyone start answering. This is the time you have to hold yourself. And when the question get critical, the class goes silent. Not because your classmate do not want to speak, but they can't because they don't know. This is the time when your teacher may look up to you or may mention you. Then only put your words. Rule number 2. Be unpredictable. Unpredictable in the sense that they never can know your next move. Always carry a sense of mystery. Here is why. Why someone will look up to you. Why you will excite other if they can easily know what will be your next action. What you are going to speak next. You will be damn boring. So, always plan to surprise people around with you with unexpected results. Unexpected achievements. Rule number 3. Never aim to please everyone. You must have seen the people who have strong aura as both supporter and people who don't like them are mostly in equal numbers. The reason why a magnet attracts certain objects strongly is due to its ability to repel as well. Aura does not mean that people go crazy when you enter the room. The aura means people hate you inside equally, as they can't compete with you.